Welcome back to the Computer Hub. Most of you know that if data is accidentally deleted by an accidental format of a drive, the data is lost forever, but today in this video I'll be showing you a simple way of recovering your data from a formatted drive for free. Paying for data recovery services is just a waste of money, as you can do it for yourself on your own computer. The software I'll be using in the entire video is DiskGenius, which I'll give a download link down in the description. For an example, I am to copy files into a USB flash drive and format it. Note that these applies to HDD drives and SSD drives. Open DiskGenius software and select your target drive. On the headers inputs on the upper part of the options, you select Recover Files. After a scan is complete, you select the folders you wish to recover and right-click on your mouse to copy them and paste them into a certain directory on your PC. With such simple steps, your data is recovered for free. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share. See you on the next episode.